How to enable dark mode for iPhone all icons. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Go to the top left corner and tap on Edit. Select Customize. You can now use the edit options below to customize your app icons. From the options below, select Dark to make the app icon backgrounds dark. You can also try out all the other features from here. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily enable dark mode for iPhone app icons. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.